Hello YouTube, this is Amorina, and I'm going to show you how I created my character Soul. The first step in my process is gathering references. I look for images of slime and aliens in capsule to help me design my character. These references give me ideas and make my designs more interesting and unique. I also spend time choosing the right color palette for my character. I find color palettes on Pinterest which give me a wide range of ideas and help me choose the best color for Soul. For my artwork, I use Infinite Painter. This app is great for creating detailed sketches and clean line art. It is easy to use and give me the tools I need to work on my project smoothly. My canvas size is A4, which is standard paper size. This gives me enough space to draw my character clearly. Having a larger canvas helps me add small details that make my drawing looks more polished. When I draw, I use different brushes like old ink, splatter inker, manga inker, and charcoal inker. Each brush has a unique texture and style that helps me achieve the look I want. For example, old ink gives my sketch a rough traditional feel while manga inker is perfect for creating clean and bold line art. I also work in layers to keep things organized. I separate the line art, colors, and shading on different layers. This method makes it easier to fix mistakes and improve the final outcome. I spend 1 hour and 40 minutes creating this character, including the line art, colors, and shading. Taking my time on each step allow me to focus on the details and ensure that the final result looks smooth and good.